this computer because it's stupid.
How are we going to make our videos now?
My dreams have been crushed, Samaya.
I'm beside you again.
You are. I'll be right beside you. I'll be. Oh, do you want the waist? Have I taught you how to waist?
The waist? What's the
You have to go like
waist?
this.
How's this? Hang on.
Oh, it's perfect. You're a natural born wister.
Lesbian.
In sign language. What's the weirdest thing you can do with your tongue? I can only do this. And everyone can do that. Any idiot.
Thank you.
That's what I meant. Ew, don't touch me with your tongue.
Don't touch me now. That is my brain. Stop.
Hey,
touch me
do
with
you think
This
cameraman
is-
will watch these videos like he did last year?
I don't know. Not if
Remember,
they don't have
he's in
any
the
sound. I'm kind of mad at him right now.
Camera?
Because his videos are so lame.
I know, I unsubscribed.
Me too.
He's so lame now.
I remember.
Oh, we were like his first fans.
I know, I remember when he only had like 200 views. Now he's got like 1,000.
No, he had like 0 when we joined in.
And after we joined, he went up in
I
the
know,
ratings.
I know, it's because of Emilio.
Stick with us and you'll go far, man.
You will. Remember that. We had a Rebecca Shy show. Bye now. From me. Oh no.
Did it save?
I don't know.